Good morning, students. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 3, Physical Fitness, Wellness and Lifestyle. Today we will start this chapter number 3 because it is connected to the chapter number 1. Okay, then afterwards we will do the chapter 2. In this chapter, we will discuss following points. First is meaning of physical fitness, meaning of wellness, meaning of lifestyle, then importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. So today we will do these 4 points. First we will start with physical fitness. The physical fitness. Physical fitness according to the survey, or in the if we want to discuss with the definition, actually it is consist of both health and skill related fitness. Physical fitness and exercise habits developed in early years provide a foundation of our lifetime. Okay, so when we do the activities are the basic of life, and human body cannot remain in normal condition without activity. Therefore, physical fitness is not possible without regular exercise. So, the definition is written here. Physical fitness is as the capacity of an individual to do daily routine work without fatigue, to participate in physical activity and still serve enough to meet any emergency. So when you physically fit, then only you can do the routine work, and for that you have to take a proper diet so that you can do the activities, and you have to do the regular exercise so that you are physically and mentally fit. Okay, now we come to the next point, that is meaning of wellness. Wellness is a state of being healthy and free of disease. Okay, wellness is a concept of ideal fitness made up of both internal and external component. Okay, so a body without illness or sickness is known as a wellness. When your body is free from illness and you are not sick, then only we can say you are well. So wellness is the capacity of an individual by which one can lead to well balanced and natural life. If you are not sick and your body is without illness, then we can say that you can live a balanced and natural life. Okay, then come to the next point, that is meaning of lifestyle. Lifestyle is the way of life or style of living that reflect the attitude and value of a person or a group. And second is, the lifestyle is a typical way of life of an individual, group or culture. It means lifestyle maybe control the following factors, right? Like first, lifestyle, if you want to lead a good lifestyle, then you should take proper nutrition or balanced diet. Okay, then controlling drug abuse, controlling obesity. Okay, then stress management or psychologically training, then developing healthy habits. You have to develop a healthy habits in you so that your lifestyle become good. If you are do these 5 factors, which is control to lead a good lifestyle. Okay, then sports and games provide an ideal opportunity to introduce the concept of good lifestyle, wellness and fitness among young children. If you play a games and for in a proper time, and you take proper balanced diet, so that proper nutrition, and if you are stress free, then your lifestyle will be more better. Is it clear? So 3 points we have discussed. First is the meaning of physical fitness, then meaning of wellness, then meaning of lifestyle. Now we come to the next point, that is importance of physical fitness and wellness. First we will discuss the points. First is it is equally important for sports person as well as non-sports person. Okay, physical fitness and wellness is important for everyone, whether they are a sports person or whether they are not a sports person. Okay, physical fitness and wellness are necessary for reducing the risk of heart and lungs disease. Yes, if you do physically activities, okay, and you are physically fit, you are doing the daily exercise routine, you are taking the proper diet, then there is reduce the risk of heart and lungs disease, because lungs disease is related to what? When you are taking the fresh air in the morning, go for the walk and doing the exercise in the morning, then your lungs are properly working, so it will reduce the risk of these type of diseases. Then next point is physical fitness changes one lifestyle and increase lifespan. Yes, physical fitness changes the lifestyle. If we are doing the proper fitness, we take care of our body properly, then it will increase the lifespan, it will increase the age of a person. Okay, then the next one is research studies indicate that children who establish physical fitness in early life are likely to remain active in future. Yes, like you are a very young students, okay, if you are maintain your daily life routine properly, doing the exercise in the morning or in the evening, at least 1 hour you are going for the playing the things like badminton, walking, cycling, other activities, then in your afterwards life you are become active in a future and in present also. If you are taking the proper diet plans and proper activities you are doing, then easily you are very active in your daily routine. Then we come to the next one, that is physical fitness and wellness tend to enhance productivity and quality at work. If you are active, that is automatically you can do your work actively. Okay, then the next point is person can manage stress easily and efficiently. Yes, if your mind is free from the stress, then you can manage the thing properly, okay, and efficiently. You are doing your homework, you are doing your work activities properly, then easily you can manage the things in a efficiently way. Then next point is improves posture and personal appearance. If you are physically fit, then you are looking your personally appearance is too good, you are looking very good, right? Now the next one is the maintain muscles which decrease the risk of injury. Yes, if you are doing the daily activities in a routine way, then your muscles decrease the risk of the injury. If injury is there, then it will recover easily within some time only. It will not take too much time to recover from that injury, if you are doing this, if you are physically fit. Okay, then positive attitude and highly motivated. If you are positive attitude, if you are positive towards everything and highly motivated, and then you can do the things properly and you are physically and mentally fit. Clear? So sports and games provide an ideal opportunity to introduce the concept of good lifestyle, wellness and fitness among young children. Clear? And there are a different proper growth and development is there. Okay, personality development, improve total efficiency. Clear? Improves ability, reduce stress, give knowledge of nutrition and hygiene, develop competitive edge, then improve psychological development, provide emotional outlet, develop social quantities. So these are the importance of physical fitness and wellness in person life, which can already I have explained in this clip. Clear? Then importance of lifestyle. What do you mean by the importance of lifestyle? First is increase the longevity. Slows down aging process, reduce risk of disease. Already we have discussed this one. It will slow down the aging process and it will reduce the disease due by the proper exercise and wellness. Second is increase the level of energy. Yes, it will increase satisfaction, increase productivity. If we are doing more work, then we can increase our productivity, increase the satisfaction. You are only satisfied by your work if you are doing the activity, and it will increase the level of the energy. It helps in reducing depression. This is the main point, that it help in reducing depression. Nowadays this is very common to the children, that they are very depressed regarding the studies, regarding anything. Okay, so if you are doing the activities daily in a regular manner, then easily you can cope up with this depression. It evaluate the hormone level in the body, regulate positive thinking. If your positive thinking is there, then you can do anything. Then the fourth point is increase the level of physical lifestyle. Better coordination of mind and body, increase strength, flexibility and endurance. So it will increase the strength of your body. Clear? And easily you can perform the things, because the coordination should be there between the body and the mind. If your mind is active, then you can do all the things in a proper way. It will improve postures, increase self-confidence. Yes, if you are active, if you are physically fit, then there is a self-confidence in you to do the any task in your life. So proper diet and proper fitness or proper activities if you are doing, then the self confidence automatically develop in you by doing these type of the physical fitness. And one more thing, physical fitness and wellness play a significant role in ensuring a happy and well balanced life. Clear? And physical fitness and wellness help a person to grow and develop better. Clear? And what we have to the next point is the vascular disease, reduce extra body fat and strengthen heart. Yes, it will reduce the extra body fat also by doing the activities. So these are the importance of lifestyle. I think you understand all the points.